Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert your USDC to USD1 on Binance. It's very easy. First you can open your Binance apps and then go to your search box here in the top. And then you can search convert, search it, and you will find convert here. You can click it. And then in the top here, make sure you choose USDC, and in the bottom you can change it to USD1. Click this one, then you can fill the amount here. I will just max it, and you will see the amount of USD1 you will receive. If you share, you can just click trade here, then you can just confirm here, and it's done. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.